Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Stack. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted items on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. And if you can go to the recycling bin right here, it's very simple. You can see there's items in it. Just simply open it up. And here's my recycling bin. So locate the items you simply want to recover. And I'm going to hold down Control so I can select multiple items. And then you can see at the top it says Restore the selected items. Or you can go to Restore All Items. So let's go to this right now and select it. And I'm just going to select all these. And it's going to restore those. Here's a little graph right here. Now, these should be transferred on over to the folder, original location, user, work folder, recordings. So should be able to find them in there now. So I can just go back to it. And here's all the recordings that I did before. So very easy to go ahead and restore deleted documents or items or files on Windows 10 or 11. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.